Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here is your teacher Batul Said coming up with the new subtopic of basic algebra, which is simplify algebraic expression grouped with brackets. Let's have a look at this algebraic expression. How can you simplify this? Notice that two different grouping symbols are involved in this expression. But why are these grouping symbols useful? Look, in this question, two operations are going on and addition is present two times. Now the question is, which two terms should be added or subtracted first? This is where grouping symbols helps us. Here in this question we have parenthesis or curved brackets, braces or curly brackets, and we have one more grouping symbol, which is square or box brackets. When simplify the expression with brackets, we have an order of simplification. First, we simplify parenthesis or curved bracket. Secondly, curly brackets. And lastly, we solve square brackets or box brackets. Once we remove the brackets, the expression is simplified by adding or subtracting like terms. Let's understand this by simplifying this expression. Here we have 6x plus curly bracket open 14y minus curve bracket open 6x plus 2y curve bracket close, curly bracket close. You have to write solution first, copy the question again. Here in this question we have minus sign before the curve bracket. As we all know, we have to solve the curve bracket first. So by removing the curve brackets, we have to multiply this minus sign with the inside sign. So the expression will become 6x plus curly bracket 14y minus 6x minus 2y curly bracket close. The minus sign which is present before the curve bracket will be multiplied by both the signs of inside numbers. This minus plus become minus and this minus plus become minus 2y. Now we have two like terms inside the bracket. Firstly, we have to arrange them. The expression will become 6x plus curly bracket 14y minus 2y minus 6x curly bracket close. By subtracting 2y from 14y, the expression will become 6x plus curly bracket open 12y minus 6x curly bracket close. Here the sign of this 12y is plus as the sign of 14y, which is greater number, is plus. Now we have two unlike terms in curly brackets, so we have to remove this brackets because it cannot be solved further. By removing the curly bracket, this plus sign which is before the curly bracket will be multiplied with the inside signs. The expression will become 6x plus 12y and minus 6x. Here we have two like terms, plus 6x minus 6x. Both will be cancelled out and the answer will be 12y only. We have another question in which we have all three grouping symbols. The question is 4x minus square bracket, 3y minus curly bracket, 4x minus curve bracket, 5y minus 7y, curve bracket close, curly bracket close, and a square bracket close. We have to write solution first, copy the question again. Now here again we have to solve the curve bracket first. We have the minus sign before the curve bracket. We have to multiply this minus sign by the inside signs. The expression will become 4x minus square bracket 3y minus curly bracket 4x minus 5y plus 7y curly bracket close and a square bracket close. Here we have two like terms inside the curly brackets. We have to solve them. The minus 5y plus 7y, this minus plus results minus. So 7y minus 5y, it will become 2y with the sign of addition, as the sign of greater number, which is 7y, is plus here. So the expression will become 4x minus square bracket 3y minus curly bracket 4x plus 2y, curly bracket close, square bracket close. Now here we have two unlike terms inside the curly bracket. So we have to remove this bracket by multiplying this minus sign, which is written before the curly bracket, by the inside signs. The expression will become 4x minus square bracket 3y minus 4x, as minus and the inside plus becomes minus 4x, and this plus 2y will become minus 2y, as this plus sign multiplied with the sign of subtraction, which is before the curly brackets. All right. Now we have two like terms inside the bracket. We have to solve them first. Firstly, we have to arrange them. The expression will be 4x minus 3y 4x minus square bracket 3y minus 2y minus 4x square bracket close. We have to minus 2y from 3y. The expression will become 4x minus square bracket open. We have to write only y, as there is no need to write 1 as a coefficient, minus 4x square bracket close. Again, we have two unlike terms inside the bracket, so we will remove the bracket by multiplying the sign which is before the bracket by the inside sign. It will become 4x minus 4x minus y plus 4x. Again, we have two like terms, which is 4x plus 4x. It will become 8x minus y. And we have to put the sign of plus with it, 8x, as both signs are plus. Here the important thing is the grouping symbols or brackets helps us to simplify an expression involving two or more operations by telling us which part of the sum to do first. Hope you all understand it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.